welcome back to Sudarshan World. Today marks a historic moment in Indian aviation. The Indian Air Force has officially retired the iconic MiG-21, bringing to a close an era that spanned 6 decades. Inducted in 1963, the MiG-21, famously nicknamed the Flying Coffin for its challenging handling, has been a symbol of courage, speed, and resilience in India's skies. This supersonic fighter jet has played a crucial role in multiple conflicts, including the 1965 and 1971 wars to Operation Sindoor, proving its mettle time and again. Generations of Indian pilots have trained on and flown this legendary aircraft, making it more than just a mission, a true emblem of India's post-independence air power. While the MiG-21 may no longer patrol over our skies, its legacies, spirit, and the lesson it imparted will continue to inspire aviators for generations to come. The MiG-21 may have retired, but its roars will forever echo in the history of Indian Air Force. This is Teju Talnakro for Sudarshan World. Jai Hind.
For more than 6 decades, it carried the pride of the tricolour and the trust of every pilot who touched its controls. Now, on the 26th of September, 2025, the roar will fall silent. The MiG-21 will be remembered forever.